Our next award recipient offers a range of testing solutions that cater to the needs of electrification in the upcoming e-mobility space. Ranging from simple engine testing to sophisticated dynamic research and development for engines and drivelines, the company has grown as a complete testing partner in India. The Frost & Sullivan 2019 Indian Automotive Advanced Testing and Validation Solutions Enabling Technology Leadership Award goes to Horiba India Private Limited. Please get your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Rajiv Gautam. Mr. Rajiv Gautam, President, Horiba India Private Limited.
Thanks, Frost & Sullivan, to start this Mobility Award or bringing these awards to India to recognize the efforts of the team. And honestly, I'm receiving this award as you said it or somebody says it in the beginning, this is on the behalf of the team. Horiba is, if just give a couple of minutes on Horiba. Horiba is basically it's an emission testing equipment. We have the leading 80% market share in the world. We are in mechatronics and we are also in the testing of on the tracks, and we are getting in the fuel cells also. So it's a different world than a lot of you are the auto component suppliers and other things, but we are in mostly the testing company. Thank you. Thanks for.
Thank you and congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. That is Horiba India Private Limited.
Myself, Dr. Rajiv Gautam. I am the president of Horiba India. Horiba India is the subsidiary of Horiba Japan. It's 100% subsidiary of Horiba in India.
Your company has won the Frost & Sullivan Award. How do you feel receiving this award and how this will impact your organization?
We are thankful to Frost & Sullivan. I think they have been doing it for last 20, 30 years outside the country. But the first time they have decided to be given the Mobility Award in India. I think we are thankful to Frost & Sullivan, and we are feeling honored by this gesture of Frost & Sullivan. Actually, it will be a gesture to our team who has been working hard.
What is the unique value proposition that your company offers for the Indian automotive industry? How far have your solutions been able to cater to the needs of Indian mobility market?
We are almost around 65 years old organization, which has been doing a lot of great work as far as emission testing equipment is concerned. We have 80% market share in emissions testing equipment. Now we are doing much more as far as mechatronics is concerned, as far as battery is concerned. We have taken one company called FuelCon. We have a Myra with us in UK, which is doing a lot of testing. So honestly speaking, that now Horiba is giving a comprehensive solution to all the car manufacturers, basically the car R&D, and we are working a lot of solutions for the industry on the EV part.
How do you find the event? Any feedback for our future events?
I think it's a lot of good names in this hall today. We are surprised to see so many good names under one roof today, and I think it's very the topics for the award has been chosen and very thoughtful. I think they have to move it ahead, maybe more than car manufacturers to others automobile manufacturers as well. I think it was more towards the car manufacturers today.
Good evening. I am R.T. Desai, working in Horiba India in automotive segment. I am co-segment head, responsible for the automotive business in India.
How different are the Indian automotive advanced testing and validation solutions requirement in India with respect to large organizations, and what are the initiatives your company has taken to meet the needs of the changing automotive industry demands?
And if you look at the Indian automotive market, it is a very complex and challenging, and we normally follow this European market. And when it comes to bringing in these advanced test solutions, the large OEMs look for the solution to mix the market and the requirement so that they can maximize. This is a challenge. And in India, Horiba, we are present more than 30 years providing the advanced testing solution in emission, engine testing, driveline, brake, and other this one. Now we will move to the new technologies for the EV and the battery development and also the RDE testing.
The Indian automotive industry is poised to implement the next generation of emission norms, which is BS6, which calls for closer integration of testing and validation of new technologies. How has Horiba leveraged its global expertise to offer affordable solutions for the Indian automotive customers?
And as you know, this BS6 nothing but a simplification of the Euro 6, which is a European regulation. And we are shifting or migrating from BS4 to BS6, skipping the BS5. That means we are jumping the one stage ahead in the emission norms. This will bring in the whole change in the life cycle of the engine or the vehicle, where it adds the huge pressure to the OEMs with regard to the after treatment and the development. As a Horiba, we have a global solutions, and we have solutions for these challenges. We are adapting those to this one. One of the good example what I can quote is we have set up India Technical Center. Whatever we offer the solutions to customer, they can see and experience our solutions, and then they can choose our test solutions, and same we can implement. And it is one of the advanced test facilities in Pune. So we are showcasing our capability so that customer can be convinced with our solution what we are offering to the Indian customers.